making a quick and easy, fun summer ribbon wreath. What you will need, I have a 14-inch wreath ring, wire edge ribbon. This ribbon is 1.5 inches in width, but you can also go with wider ribbon if you choose to do so. Chanel stems, and scissors. Alright, let's get started. So, I have already cut my ribbon into 8-inch long pieces, and I have cut my stems into thirds. I've used as many as 6 pieces in each bundle and as little as 3 pieces of ribbon in each bundle. So it all depends on how thick and full your ribbon is. So this ribbon is somewhat see-through. It's pretty transparent. So I'm actually going to use 6 pieces of ribbon for this specific wreath in each of my bundles. But again, if your ribbon is thicker, then you can go with fewer pieces, or your ribbon is wider and the fabric is thicker, you can go with fewer pieces if you choose to do so. I'll link videos in the description box down below showing you the different styles and types of ribbon wreaths that I have created. So what I'm going to do is just crisscross all of my pieces. And I like to try my best to make sure no pieces are overlapping too much. And just crisscross again. If you only have 3 or 4 pieces, then it'll be a little bit easier to crisscross everything. But just like that. And I'm going to scrunch in the center. Take my stem and twist it a couple of times. Then I'm going to flare out all of my pieces just to make sure they're nice and full. And you technically don't even have to use wire edge ribbon, but it just works better when you're trying to adjust and manipulate it. But I've actually used ribbon that was not wire edge. So if you have a style of ribbon that you're just in love with, I say, hey, go for it. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to do a couple more to show you. So again, I have 6 pieces of my wire edge ribbon. I'm just going to crisscross all of my pieces. Crisscrossing everything and scrunching it in the center. The more pieces you have, the more difficult it is to scrunch, but you'll be able to kind of adjust and maneuver it afterwards, so don't worry about that too much. Alright, twist, twist, twist to make sure it's nice and secure, and then flare out my pieces just to make sure they're nice and flared out and nice and full. So cute. You can add as many or as few bundles as you prefer. Alright, I'm going to get all of my bundles made, and then we'll start adding it to our wreath ring. Alright, so I have made all of my bundles. It looks so cute and precious already. So I have 6 pieces of ribbon in each bundle, and I'm going to place 3 bundles in each of my 6 sections. So I have a total of 18 bundles. When I'm placing, I like to use the inner 2 rings, and I'm going to alternate outer ring, inner ring, outer ring. Outer ring, inner ring, outer ring. And that's just the method I prefer to use with my ribbon wreaths. If you choose, you can even go outer, inner with 4 bundles in each section. Outer, inner, outer, inner. Possibilities are endless. And I've done it different ways, but for this specific wreath, I'm just going to go with 3 bundles and place it outer, inner, outer. So I'm going to take my first bundle, place it on the outer inner ring, twist it a couple of times, and tuck it away. Take my next bundle and place it on the inner ring, twist it a couple of times, and tuck it away. And then I'm going to come back to my outer, so outer, inner, outer. Twist it a couple of times and tuck it away. And it's going to move a little more until you get more ribbon placed. That's okay, don't worry about it too much. I'm just going to flare out my bundles just like that. You can turn around and see outer, inner, outer, and then outer, inner, outer. Alright, so I'm going to get a few more sections completed and show you what it's looking like. way done. I have 3 of my 6 sections completed, and it's looking so cute and precious already. So cute. I love the colors. This is the back. Again, you can add more or less ribbon. Alright, I'm going to get the rest of these bundles placed and show you the finished product. Now I'm just going around flaring out, making sure everything looks so cute and precious. This is such a quick and easy but fun and simple wreath, and it just looks so much fun for the summertime. But it looks great during any holiday, really. I'll link videos showing you my other ribbon wreaths that I have created, and you can just have fun with it and make it your own. You can add an adorable sign to the center. You can even add any embellishments throughout the wreath, whatever you prefer. More ribbon, less ribbon. I think this ribbon makes a decent sized wreath, even though it was, you know, thin and sheer. It still made a pretty decent sized wreath. So cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the colors, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer.